quadratic equations. Before watching the video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Now let us discuss the definition of quadratic equation. If a comma b comma c, here a comma b comma c are real numbers, then ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called a quadratic equation. So here, if a comma b comma c are real numbers, then ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Now, if ax square plus bx plus c, here ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. Let us discuss what is quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. Here, see, listen here, ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. Then what is quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. So quadratic polynomial means ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. So what is quadratic polynomial here? Here LHS side is a quadratic polynomial. Here LHS side is a quadratic polynomial. If RHS equals to 0, then it is known as quadratic equation. Here LHS is a quadratic polynomial. If it is equals to 0, if RHS equals to 0, then it is a quadratic equation. So this is about quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. Now standard form of quadratic equation. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where here a not equals to 0. So what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now let us discuss some examples of quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Next, x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Now let us discuss the degree of the quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial. Now, degree of quadratic equation and polynomial is, so what is the degree of quadratic equation and polynomial? What is the degree here? 2. For polynomial also degree 2 and equation also degree is 2. So what is the degree now? Degree of quadratic equation and polynomial is 2. So the degree of quadratic equation and polynomial is 2. Now let us discuss quadratic function. If y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, if y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, then it is known as a quadratic function. So if y equals to ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic function. Now let us discuss solution of quadratic equation. So here alpha is a real number. Here alpha is a real number. So this is called as the root of the equation. So alpha is called as the root of the equation. So here alpha is a real number. It is called as the root of the equation. Here alpha is a real number which is called as a root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. Now, so here alpha is the root of the equation. Next, so then x equals to alpha. Then what we have substituted in the place of x, we have substituted alpha. So here x equals to alpha is the solution of the equation. So what is the solution of the equation? X equals to alpha. So here x equals to alpha is the solution of the equation. Now let us discuss solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. Factorization. Let us discuss the solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. Before going to this, let us discuss one more important topic here. So zeros of quadratic polynomial and roots of quadratic equation. Both are same. Zeros and roots of quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation both are same. This is one of the important point. Now let us discuss factorization method. Let us take an example. X square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this. So what we have to do? X square. Here what is given? X square plus 5x minus 6. So plus 6x minus x. How much? 6x minus x? 5x. 6 ones are 6. Minus 6 equals to 0. That implies here x in. Now we have to take common terms. So here x into x. X square plus 6x minus 1 into x. Minus into minus how much? Plus. Plus 6 equals to 0. So what are common here? X plus 6. So that implies here x plus 6 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So in the factorization method, here we are taking two linear terms. So what are the linear terms here? 6x plus 6x minus x. So these are the two linear terms. Now after that we are taking common. Now we have to equate these two linear terms each to 0. So what we have to do in the next step? X plus 6 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. Now here we are equating each linear term equals to equating each linear term to 0. So that implies for finding the roots. X equals to how much? X equals to minus 6 or here x equals to 1. So what are the roots of this equation? Therefore, roots of x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0 are 1 comma minus 6. This is the solution. So what are the roots of this equation? X square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. 1 comma minus 6. So in this factorization method, first we have to take two linear terms. What are the linear terms here? 6x minus x. After taking this linear terms, we are equating each linear term to 0.